2 into p minus q into y equals to 15. So I have written it over here. So the ratios are 2 upon p plus q equals to minus 1 upon 2p minus q equals to 5 upon 15. This should be the condition for infinite solutions, means they are coincident. So take only these two. So 2p upon p plus q equals to 1 upon 3. What is 1 upon 3? This 5 upon 15, right? Okay. Now what is given? The values of given are p equals to 1 and q equals to 5. You can directly substitute these values also, 1 and 5. So you will get 2 upon 6, that is 1 upon 3. Yes, then the solution is okay. Even if you do it this way also it's okay. And what I have done is p plus q equals to 6, then solved it. It's a lengthy method. You don't do it that way. Just put the values of p and q and you will get 1 upon 3. So what I have done is p plus q equals to 6, then minus 1 upon 2p minus q, this one, minus 1 upon 2p minus q equals to 1 upon 3, then solved it. 2p minus q equals to minus 3, equation number 3 and 4, solve these two. So 3 plus 4 you get 3p equals to 3, p equals to 1, then put it in 3, 1 plus q equals to 6, q equals to 5, so the values are 1 and 5. That's what is given, right? So the answer is true. But you need not do all these steps. Just put the value of 1 and 5 in this and you will get 2 upon 6, that is 1 upon 3, and the answer is true. Don't waste your time, which I have done. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. If the pair of linear equations is consistent, then it has either dash or dash solutions. Here all the three are related. We'll see them one by one. If the linear equations are consistent means what? See these figures. Consistent means these two lines or two equations should have at least one point in common. Okay. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.